What's the meaning of airfield? Airfield. 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 Airfield.
An airfield is a location where aircraft take off and land. It typically includes a runway, taxiways, and other facilities for supporting aircraft operations. Airfields can be found in a variety of locations, including military bases, airports, and even remote areas. They are essential for a wide range of aviation activities, such as commercial air travel, emergency response, and military operations. The size and complexity of an airfield can vary significantly depending on its intended use, and they require careful planning and management to ensure safe and efficient operations.